draft.
One of the interesting guys, when you say sleeper, Brashad Perriman is one of those that needs some polish out there from UCF.
Clydesdale.
And then you look at a guy who's sort of that mix, receiver and tight end. The IMG Academy, a look to the future spotlight shines on Devin Funchess. He is an explosive receiver tight end, dual threat out of the University of Michigan.
I knew you had to get there. Funchess actually participated in the IMG Academy's NFL Combine training program in January and February. With his size and his speed, his playmaking ability, the guy has exhibited as a tight end in 2013 at least the potential to be a difference maker at that position. I think he needs to add a little strength, add some more weight, and I think he may become a factor at the next level because he's got playmaking ability. He showcased that when he became the Big Ten's tight end of the year in 2013. Of course, last season played more wide receiver.
And you like him more as a tight end. Guys,
you're making me like him more.
Well,
you keep forcing me.
It's a Michigan guy. Yeah.